Is FBS the broker that you've been searching for? Let's break down everything they offer to see if they're the right choice for you. Hi, I'm Eric from FXEmpire.com, and so far this year, we've already tested 80 brokers, so we've got a pretty good benchmark for comparison. We've spent hours testing FBS to answer the questions that matter most to traders. Can you trust FBS with your money? Are their trading fees fair, or will they eat into your profits? Do they offer enough assets to match your trading goals? We'll also take you inside their trading platforms, showing you the features that could make a real difference to your experience. And of course, we'll share our honest take on who FBS is best for and who might be better off looking elsewhere. Let's dive in. So let's start with the most important question. Can you trust FBS with your money? FBS has been around since 2009, building a strong and reliable reputation over the years. They claim to have over 27 million clients in more than 150 countries. A huge number that sounds impressive, but how can you, as a trader, verify their reliability? The best place to start is with the regulations. FBS is a global brand that unites several independent brokerage companies under the licenses of FSC in Belize, SISEC in Cyprus, and ASIC in Australia. So what does this mean for you in practical terms? First of all FBS entities keep client funds in segregated accounts. This means your money is kept separate from the broker's own funds, ensuring it's protected and always available. FBS also provides negative balance protection across all its entities, so your account won't drop below zero if the market moves against you. Now, while SISEC and ASIC regulators legally require this, regulators in Belize do not. Still, FBS offers it voluntarily, which is a good sign. And finally, if you trade with the SISEC regulated entity, you're protected by the Investor Compensation Fund, which can pay you up to 20,000 euros in the rare event that the broker goes bankrupt. So to sum up, with a 15-year track record, regulation by 2 top-tier authorities, and essential client protection measures, FBS scores well in the trust category. However, the offshore regulation in Belize brings their score down just a bit, earning them a 4 out of 5. Next up, let's talk about something that can really impact your profits: trading fees. Are FBS's fees competitive? To find out, we tested FBS's spreads across various instruments using its commission-free standard CFD account during peak trading hours in the London and New York sessions. So, what did we discover? Here's a quick look at the table with our findings. Let's start with Forex. When we checked the spreads on major currency pairs, they were pretty much in line with the industry standard. Not significantly better or worse, but reasonable for most traders. And next, we looked at commodities, and this is where FBS really shines. The spreads were especially competitive on gold. Moving on to shares, the spreads were also very competitive, but there's a catch. A 0.7% commission is added, so it's something to keep in mind. Now, the story changes a bit when it comes to stock indices. Here we found spreads that were much higher than the industry average, sometimes more than double. This mix of results makes FBS a better fit for medium to long-term traders, as slightly higher costs on some assets have less impact for these strategies. Another positive finding was the swap fees, or the cost of holding trades overnight. These were better than the industry average, which is great news for long-term traders. Additionally, FBS doesn't charge any deposit, withdrawal, or inactivity fees, helping to keep overall trading costs low. As FBS's spreads were mixed across different asset classes, it scored 4 out of 5 in the fees category. Now, what trading platforms and tools does FBS offer? The FBS gives you access to the popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms available on desktop, web, and mobile. The desktop versions are designed mainly for advanced traders, offering features like automated trading and customizable indicators. The web platform and mobile apps are more user-friendly, making them perfect for beginners and intermediate traders. They include multiple chart types, one-click trading, a variety of indicators, and flexible timeframes. FBS has also developed its own mobile app, suitable for traders of all skill levels. Powered by TradingView, it offers over 90 technical indicators, multiple order types, and 24/7 in-app customer support, so help is always just a tap away. Now, we did a full walkthrough of the MT4 web trader, MT5 desktop platform, and FBS mobile app to show you all their key features. So let's take a closer look. Here we have the FBS MetaTrader 4 web-based trading platform. On the left-hand side, we have a market watch window, which offers all of the different instruments available to trade on through the platform. There's a variety of different timeframes here at the top, from minute and hourly to higher timeframes such as daily, weekly, and monthly. The traders can add a variety of indicators, including trend indicators, oscillators, and volume profiles. There are also many different technical analysis tools, such as vertical lines, horizontal lines, trend lines, and many other types of technical analysis features. There are a variety of different options to place a trade. This includes just simply right-clicking and clicking on trading and selecting a new order. There are also different types, including market execution and pending orders, which includes several stop and limit orders. Alternatively, traders can use the one-click trading feature right here at the top. By clicking the sell or buy icon, it will instantly place a trade here at the bottom. And then traders can actually drag stop losses and take profit levels directly onto the chart. And here we have the FBS MetaTrader 5 desktop trading platform. On the left-hand side, the Market Watch window shows you all the different asset classes and instruments available. In the Navigator window, you can see all the different indicators available to put on a chart, including different trend indicators like Bollinger Bands and moving averages, different oscillators like MACD. And what is interesting is that FBS has given you a package of free indicators that don't usually come with the platform. This includes different types of channels like Fibonacci channels, Donchian channels, and many others. Another useful feature of MetaTrader 5 is the ability to customize different timeframes. You can use any type of minute-based or hourly-based time frame, as well as daily, weekly, or monthly, and these are easily accessed through the toolbars at the top. To place a trade, there are a few different options. This includes the new order function here at the top, and this enables you market execution or pending orders with a variety of different stop and limit orders. Alternatively, there is a one-click trading feature here at the top, and by simply clicking buy or sell, it'll instantly place a trade, and then you can also trade from the chart by dragging stop loss and take profit levels directly onto the chart, which will update at the bottom right here in your trade window. It also has a new section here at the bottom, an economic calendar, price alerts, and the ability to add on expert advisors for automated and algorithmic trading. And here we have the FBS mobile app available for Android and iOS. And from the Trade tab, you can view custom watch lists and instruments broken down by asset class. From here, you can also pull up the charts powered by TradingView, and you can place trades directly from the chart. From the Positions tab, you can track the live P&L of your open trades, and from the Funds tab, you can track your account balance and your P&L. Finally, you can also access 24/7 customer support via the mobile app. Now, overall, FBS offers a diverse range of high-quality trading platforms across desktop, web, and mobile, earning a strong score of 4.7 out of 5 in the platforms and tools category. Lastly, let's break down the tradable instruments that FBS offers. FBS provides access to over 550 tradable instruments. These include 72 Forex pairs, 11 commodities, 11 indices, 474 share CFDs, and 5 major cryptocurrencies. The number of instruments in most asset classes is generally higher than the industry average. However, the cryptocurrency selection with only 5 options falls short compared to the typical range of 10 to 20. The highlight here is the 474 share CFDs, which lets you trade some of the biggest companies on US and European stock exchanges. Overall, FBS offers a wide range of instruments, making it a good choice for multi-asset class traders. It scored 4.2 out of 5 in the tradable instruments category. Now, in just a moment, we will share our final thoughts on FBS, but first, here's why our insights matter. Our team combines experienced analysts and pro traders, and over the last decade, we have reviewed countless Forex brokers, 80 just this year, and this gives us a deep understanding of the industry, so we know what truly defines a top broker. So, the big question, is FBS the right broker for you. Let's break it down by looking at the pros and cons. Founded in 2009, FBS is regulated by 3 authorities: the FSC of Belize, SISEC in Cyprus, and ASIC in Australia. They offer over 550 instruments, including Forex, metals, indices, stocks, and energies, all in one place. For trading, you can choose from MetaTrader 4 and 5 on desktop, web, and mobile, or the FBS mobile app. Now, most asset classes come with no trading commissions, and the spreads are generally competitive. On top of that, FBS provides live webinars hosted by their analysts, 24/7 customer support, and access to over 200 payment methods with no deposit, withdrawal, or inactivity fees. But let's not ignore the downsides. Spreads for stock indices are higher than the industry average, and there are commissions on share CFDs. The Belize-based entity operates under an offshore regulator, which means less oversight and lower penalties for misconduct. Lastly, FBS only offers one account type, which might not provide the flexibility that some traders need. So, with these pros and cons in mind, who can benefit from trading with FBS? FBS is a great choice for beginners, thanks to its excellent educational resources, including courses, platform tutorials, and live webinars. It is also a perfect choice for algorithmic traders, offering access to MetaTrader 4 and 5, the gold standard for automated trading with fast execution, depth of market, and one-click trading. FBS works well for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. However, scalpers should know that slightly higher spreads on some markets might impact their strategy. Casual and swing traders will also appreciate FBS for its low overnight swap fees and 0 inactivity fees. Finally, FBS caters to news traders with its built-in economic calendar on NT5 and live stream videos on YouTube covering major economic events. In our evaluation, we awarded FBS an overall score of 4.3 out of 5, marking its offering as above average. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website and share your thoughts. Comment with any questions about FBS or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.